Meet the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard, packed with programmable keys and intuitive control panel. It comes in two models, the NES and the Famicom edition, which I have here. Compatible with Windows and Android. It's an 87-key keyboard with N-key rollover, which means it has the ability to scan each button pressed individually, as opposed to having the PC do it. As a result, every pressed button or key is noted even if you are pressing a bunch of keys simultaneously. It comes in Kale Box White V2 switches with die-sub PBT keycaps. Connection can be via Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, or wired. It has an aluminum plate with hot swappable PCB. These connection options are located in the independent panel together with the volume control, and as you guessed it uses a knob. Who doesn't like knobs, right? To satisfy your vintage-inspired theme, they have included a dual super buttons. It's basically an oversized gamepad buttons. They can be as programmable keys or macro buttons. You can map anything to it without the use of a software, although you can download the 8BitDo Ultimate software for more customization. The rechargeable 2000 mAh Li-On battery is rated at 200 hours of use with 4 hours of charging time. The keyboard is on the heavy side, as you can see in the box that came with it. You can view the unboxing video here. With that, roll montage! In all, it's a great keyboard with an actuation force of 45 grams that isn't going to be a pain in your fingers, even typing for long hours. The clicky Kale Box White V2 switches are rather much quieter and can be used in an office environment. What's missing here is the RGB lights. But then again, RGB lights weren't around during the 80s and the 90s. It wouldn't fit in a retro vibe if it had one. The 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard is priced at $3,795 at the time of my purchase. It's a call out for those people seeking nostalgia. It's a reminiscent of a time where higher quality materials and craftsmanship were the norm. So, what do you think of the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard? Should you buy one? Let me know in the comments below, and please like and subscribe if you like this content. I'll see you around!
Mm-hmm.